Hey guys, this is Aldridge here, and if you guys haven't noticed, I am standing up. Why? Well, this is a huge box. Let's get unboxing. So this box cost us $300 or about 15,000 pesos. Now, everything inside is from Nike, and everything inside was bought at 50% off. So technically, this box is originally priced at $600 or 30,000 pesos. Now let's open the box. If you guys can see a glimpse of some things inside, then you know it's gonna be a fun box. This pair right here is a pair of shorts from Nike, and Nike running shorts. These are mine. I saw them online, wanted it, waited for a good sale because it's expensive. Now I got it at 50% off. Next, this thing here is a jacket, and these are not mine, so I can't open it really. But a friend of mine ordered these. I'm gonna put a picture so that you guys can see what it looks like. Let's put that aside. Now this thing, the last thing inside a plastic bag, is shorts. I think it's light green. I mean, it's green, almost, you know, sort of grayish green. And this is also his, so. Now for the fun part, the boxes here. This is definitely not a mystery box because we ordered it and we know what's inside. But yeah, let's start with this one. This is a small box, so you guys should know. These are Nike slides, and these are the Benassi JDI print. Alright, there we go. If you guys can see, these are black on the bottom, and on top you'll see the Nike swoosh and Nike written with different colors. At first impressions, this part is like pretty rough. I mean, pretty hard, not rough. I mean, it's sort of like hard plastic, which I'm not really fond of. But this part here, inside, there's like some foam underneath, which will give you enough cushioning. These slides are two of my friends' orders. So, oops. So I'm just gonna give it to them. These are definitely not for resale. Now for the resale portion of this box. There are 4 boxes left inside, and all of these are meant for resale because why not? Another tiny box. And if you guys haven't guessed it, this is a women's shoe, a women's sneaker. But inside is the Nike Canyon sandal. Now, my friend and I were discussing what to buy so we could, you know, share in the profits. And somehow his sister suggested this sandal. Being men, we don't understand the opposite gender's fashion statement. But here's the sandal. We were about to buy the white one, but white sneakers tend to, you know, dirty up quick. So yeah, we opted for the black pair. Nike Canyon right here with a white midsole and outsole. We don't know who will buy this. We also don't know who will wear this. But it's here, so yeah. Let's put that aside. Now for the next pair, this one. This is one of those, you know, not so famous pairs, but they look pretty common. So you have that normal Nike box, and inside is this pair of sneakers. I'm just gonna pull out one. This is the Nike Court Vintage Premium, and upper, it looks like it's made of leather, synthetic leather here. And yeah, there's already creasing on the toe box, which is not a good sign as a reseller. But anyway, this is a clean shoe. It probably rivals the Continental 80s or the Stan Smiths. You have that pop of orange with the word Nike on it and a black swoosh beneath. For the tongue, the opposite is true. The swoosh is orange, but the word Nike is imprinted in black. So yeah, the insole says engineered for all day, everyday comfort. Yeah, it's a white sneaker, a staple for most people right now. So that's one of the things inside. That's the second shoe for resale. Let's go with this one. This is a gray Air Force 1 box, which is nicer than the black one, at least for me. The tissue may be a little bit ripped, but that's fine. What's important is the sneaker inside. This is the Nike Air Force 1 React. And what's special about this Air Force 1 is not only it has a different design and a different medial portion here, its insole is what sells this shoe. And let me just pull that insole out. And bang! If you guys can see, this is a super thick insole. It's about, I say, 2 inches of thickness at the insole. Now, the React technology is not incorporated on the midsole itself, but it is incorporated in the insole of the shoe. Now, I don't know how the sizing works because of that huge insole. I don't know how it affects the sizing or the fit of the sneaker. But yeah, it has pops of blue at the front and at the back outsole. Then you have that yellow Nike Air logo at the back. You also have that yellow and blue branding here on the tongue. And then there are hints of gray all over the shoe. And yes, it is again a clean shoe. And what's great about this sneaker is the outsole is gray, so you don't really have to worry about cleaning the outsole that much. Now for the last pair, which is my favorite pickup, although again this is not for me, but it's for resale. This is a Jordan 34 box, and yes, they are huge. This is a size 10, but this box is like, bro. So let's take a look. Woo! All right, this is the Jordan 34. I'm just gonna pull out the right pair, and man, it looks amazing in person. This is a Jordan 34 low. So what's the difference? High top, low top. But there's not much difference in terms of performance and fit. So yeah, it's mostly white, and this translucent middle portion is also an amazing touch. Although if you have, you know, socks with holes in them, you might not want to wear this pair specifically. But yeah, the insole has a light green pop to it, and it just adds a pop of color to this plain white sneaker. And you have that gradient gray here and all over the shoe. The outsole is mostly white with those, again, gradient circles here. There are green things here, which I don't know the use for. Probably for traction. A cool detail that I just saw is this braille here, and this simply means 34, probably. You have that Jumpman logo here, and at the back you have on the tongue written flight. Now the inside of the tongue, there's the number 23 written on it, because this is the Air Jordan 34. What do you think about the sneakers that we copped during the 50% off Nike sale? We were hoping that the Jordan 13s that were sitting on the site and the Jordan 4s on the site were also included. But sadly, they were not, which was a bummer. However, we did, pick up some good stuff. We have the Jordan 34, we have an Air Force 1 React, a Court Vintage Premium that looks like somewhat a Continental 80 / a Stan Smith, and of course the women's sandal that we have no idea what to do with. So if you guys enjoyed that video, and if you want to see more unboxing like this, make sure you guys hit that like button and comment down below what websites or what stores should I check out and buy more boxes to resell or to buy mystery boxes. We might just do one soon. Anyhow, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so that you will be notified whenever I post new videos. See you guys in the next one.